In this quiz-in video, we shall ask today's challenging question. Let's start. Let's check how healthy your lungs are.
Now, inhale your breath in the next 3 seconds.
Hold your breath now.
Timers start. Your lungs are in danger. Please take extra care. Every breath counts. Send this video to your friend to challenge them. Your lungs are weak. Please protect them before it's too late.
Good! Your lungs are healthy.
Don't lose your stamina during this tough phase. Only 10% manage to succeed in it.
Well done! Your lungs are 100%.
Now please start taking a breath. Your lungs are healthy, but if your lungs are weak or damaged because of smoking, then please must watch this video for next 30 seconds. Please follow these 6 steps. First one is please stop smoking completely. Second step, please eat the following foods to heal your lungs. Third step, deep breathing and exercise. Fourth step, clean air and environment. Step 5, please do regular checkups by an experienced doctor. Step 6, support natural healing. Thanks for watching Quiz-In video. Please subscribe us.